guys, car fleet back with another car video. We're outside Canadian Tire trying to get shit done. It's fucking taking forever. They cut this part off the muffler so I can get a pipe. See how straight pipe is? My buddy Dre's ripping here too. So straight trying to sand this out, see how she goes. Alright, go for it. That's dirty. Hey guys, we out here at Canadian Tire, sanding this half job. Oh man. Well, barely gone anywhere. You're not going anywhere for a while, but. Dude, I'm not even through yet. So I just got the pipe cut off. So now, can I get that straight pipe? Oh, yeah, dude, it cut through like immediately. Fucking nice. So now you can get that nice little connection. You ready, Dre? Look at the muffler chilling in there. That's a fat muffler. There you go, new tip. Canadian Tire cash. We're still at the Canadian Tire. Still at Canadian Tire. It's been like 3 hours. just yeah, got it. We've been here for 3 hours. We're fucking making a. Making it happen. Don't give up. Some kind of gizmo that's gonna go on your muffler. Don't even call it an exhaust. Let's call it pipe. Oh, we're still gonna rubber down and oil. Okay, so the first move. Let's see if she fits. 100 clamps. Okay, so that's gonna go like that, and that moves over a bit. Nice. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's not bad. And then we'll run the pipe out the back and we're sending her. Yeah, you're gonna have to cut it pretty short. Yeah. Or I might just leave it for now. Dude, do it. You need to do it. I'll follow you home. It'd be funny. What do I need? You ask. I need these. You may don't ask, but it's gonna look like this. Yeah. Fucking things hanging out. Okay, we'll just use. The amount of times I get weird looks from people driving by just fucking hilarious. Okay, you got the light? Yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck, you're gonna have to hold this up. Like you're joking. I don't have a gasket, dude. It's at home. You don't need it. Yeah, that's true. It's optional. Garbage. Okay, this is the good one. This will go on the. Let's go in there. Connect. Oh shit. That's going. Can I hold this up and then you get that other nut? I can hold the light too. All you gotta do is grab a washer. I got the nut there. And put a washer in front. So the bolt's already through. So I'm just asking you to put the washer there. I'd say under. Under? Nah, I got it right here. No. Yo, give me the light on the ground. Oh, I found it. Oh, people think this is all sunshine and rainbows, fuck. It is. Yeah, that's actually Canadian Tire garage at our disposal. Been slight work, to be honest. Everything you need is go and buy. Fuck. Yeah, I bought a jack. I bought the fucking jack. Dre thinks he's sick, bought the whole store. You got it? Yeah. Is it started? Yeah. Okay. We're straight letting her hang. I'll go in now and get her tight. Just at least. Alright, she's tight to the point where you need wrenches now. Holy, I'm like seizing up. Maybe you should have bought a new nut instead of the fucking. Oh, I should have bought 2 bolts. Now you're gonna have this huge ass bolt going through. It takes an hour to tighten. Holy shit, this nut. See though, it's a little fuck nut. It's gonna take an hour, dude. Tighten. There's nothing. Watch me not even like the fucking sound of it once it's done.
It sounds stock. My camera's gonna die
loud
soon.
as hell, dude. Okay, we're gonna have to get the kit out now. We're gonna need a 14, 13, and 12.
The whole kit in the
Yeah.
trunk? Easy.
Except we got shit everywhere now. Here's that tip. See that tip, boys?
Blue.
Blue tip. Looks familiar. Got a blue tip, yeah. Okay, I'll shine in here. Dude, get this out of my face. What is
Leave it here.
Is that what they call a muffler?
Oh, you need the hangers off of it.
I need, yeah. I need, oh, it's an 11. I need this, this, and this. Okay. Hey, yeah, let's go. These ain't bad, girl, don't act like you don't notice. Oh, I even bought mechanic rags too.
Fresh out of the package.
It's fresh. It's
Bought a hacksaw jack.
This is, no, I use it on the other side. Okay, we're gonna do this one first. It's the most fun. I believe it's a 12 and a 13.
Why are they all different sizes?
Dude, I don't know. Everything's a different size.
Did you get this shit from the bargain bin or something?
Dude, it's probably for like my engine, but it's
Probably from your block.
holy shit. Dude, I'm straight tweaking right now. Close to where I want to be here. I wish this wasn't a.
You want me to hold that?
Wish it would just be like that, man. So we could get on with our lives. Except we're gonna. Look how much you have to tighten. Holy.
We were in Canadian Tire for like 2 hours straight and we didn't get anything. No bolts.
It's because budget.
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 Yeah, budget. Buy a new jack, buy a hacksaw.
Merely loosening it, so.
Great. Just fucking
There
start
we
it,
go.
man. You need to start it.
There we go, we're going.
Very slowly.
But all the guys and girls will be like, that's budget. I'm like, you don't stand outside Canadian Tire, hacksaw your exhaust for nothing. If this doesn't sound good, I'm literally gonna return everything I bought from Canadian Tire. Which was like $100 worth of shit. I see you. I see me. Am I even going the right way anymore? Oh.
Clueless.
I'm starting to shake.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey, none of it. Alright. Almost fucking screwed on yet. Not just yet. Straight budget, straight pipe.
Can you bring the light up
Yeah.
here? Very quick. There's my 14. Fuck,
14?
we're losing tools now.
I just had the 14. It's on the ground or
Is it on
something.
the ground?
It's in my pocket.
Really?
Yeah, it's in my pocket. There you go.
I can't remember if this is. Let's go. Are those clamps tight?
Yeah. Hold it, you can see. Can I get an angle on it?
There you go. Kind of one that maybe I can tighten it. I don't need the breaker.
Fucking stickers on there.
Yeah, we're good.
Very good.
Oh, cool as that. Your part's falling off. So here's the exhaust. That's how we drove it home last night. So what I want to do is cut it probably like back here and put the tip on. We got a burnt tip for it. You can see what we did. It's like, it was like I'd done it Canadian Tire, so there's no welds. It's all clamped. But it's really loud and I'll show you guys that. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Appreciate everybody who watched and subscribed, and gonna get back to making the car videos. And I'll still be making video game videos as well, just because that's what I do in my spare time. That, work on cars, and then I'm gonna get back to working at the shop now that my wrist is healed. So thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more.
Prince the producer.